Short video today. The other unit had a bad blower motor, and the unit on the left on that video had, I don't know, what the fuck, am I retarded? What do you want from me? What did that one have? Oh yeah, that's right, it only had 2 burners lit. It needs the flame channels cleaned. So, alright, anyways, enjoy the video, and see you later. Happy New Year. Peace. Bear!
Yes. Yes, hello, buddy. Oh, hello, buddy. Say bye. Say bye. Later. There's the water. That's the cold air coming in. Hot condensation. Cold air. No bueno. Even the secondary. It's not sloped the right way either. That's the problem. It's crazy. Sorry, I don't mean to say wow like that. Just simple things to, prevent that stuff. And that has water in it too. So, let me set this right there for a second. That one should go in there. Where's my level? Let's see. See, the furnace needs to be pitched that way. On the right side needs to come up. Mom's furnace needs to be lifted up a quarter. So, alright. That's all she. That's all I can really do right now. So, and normally how you do this is just get a car jack under here or a pry bar and just lift. So, car jack works pretty good. The real low key ones. So, all right, that's it for that one. Make sure your slope's right. Make sure your venting is sloped right, and make sure you have a trap if it's not. So, sweet. Later, guys. Residential call. Inducer motor is filled with water. Look at the vent. That is crazy. I just pushed on the vent and all the water came running down. There's no P-trap. So normally when you do this, you just want to put a P-trap in, either down there. Let's see. I mean, the whole thing. The whole thing needs to be redone. Alright. I'm gonna drain it now. instruction manual anywhere either, because I know for a fact that this thing is supposed to have a trap on it. I know for a fact that it's supposed to. So, that's cool. Let's see how the furnace is pitched. Alright, so slightly pitched down. Yeah, slightly pitched down. Okay. I want it pitched that way. Maybe I want it like that. So that it drains. Oh, let me try to. Nope, can't even lift it. Alright. Well, I'm going to take the inducer out now and get all the water out of there. And I'll show you.
Hey! What's up, everybody? Freezing my bowels off. It's alright, though. All in a day's work. I'm happy to be here. So, got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Yorks. This one has a bad gas valve. Shawink. This one's on in heating, as you can see, but not a fan of that. So heat exchanger looks just as good. Couldn't find any cracks or anything, so that's good. This one I still got to check the exchanger. It has a bad terminal board. The relay just goes. So I can't get that one to diagnose. I got to get the board to go further, and I got one here to do and one here to do. So, we're going to see. Alright, someone's calling me. You guys have an awesome day. Like, subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.